basically is it's going to go in, and regardless right now it's doing this portion of it, but it's getting all of the, it's getting the selection, which is the first object you picked. It's getting the second object from the selection, which is the one we're going to set the change to. And what it does is it runs through, and it says for X and set objects, so the one we're going to put it on, gets all the children and collects this the child objects, and it collects the transforms and dumps them into this array here. So for X in set obj.children, collect X.transform. So it collects all the transforms of the child objects. We go through and we do our mirror, which unfortunately will rotate the child objects as well. And then here we simply do an if don't affect children is equal to true, and this is the fast way of writing it, just if don't affect children. So if true, then what I do is I loop through the children objects, the child objects of the one we're setting the rotation value on. And so I say I is equal to 1 to set obj.children.count do, and then set obj.children I dot transform is equal to the corresponding transform matrix that I stored in this array here. And basically I rotate them back, as all intents and purposes I set them back. The dot transform property of an object is in world space, so this worked and it basically set them back. So this is my solution to don't affect children not working here. So we could use that to be able to reset them on the other side and make sure things are rotated as we'd expect on the other side. I wanted to be able to set it true or false and just not have it on all the time, because then I can use it for mirroring the control over, where I want to make a copy of this over, but I want to actually make sure that the child objects do rotate with it and move over with it correctly. So I can turn it on and off, either run that line of code or that line of code to set up the function the way I want. So those are a couple of the changes that are currently in the face right now that I've made little tweaks on. What we're going to do is we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how to get this eyebrow working as I've shown you.